Hey, what's good, y'all? It's C Will, and this is the Passive Income Network. On this channel, we talk about creating assets that produce passive income. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment and say what's good. Algorand. On this video, we'll be doing a walkthrough how to use Algorand's trading wallet, which is called DeFi. So first thing we're going to do is go over to the website. I'm going to show you where to download and how to use it. Okay, we are on DeFi.app. Make sure that you're on official websites and download this app on the App Store or on Google Play. Okay, as you see, welcome to DeFi. This is DeFi, the prime DeFi wallet in the Algorand ecosystem. You are one step away from the best-in-class trading and metrics. So remember, this is a trading wallet. What we're going to do is go through all the prompts and the steps, and then we're going to import our wallet again to show you this is the final wallet we'll be using on Algorand. Okay, so what we have to do is accept all of DeFi's policies. So if you want to read them, make sure you do read the disclaimers and open the terms and conditions and also the private policy. I've already read them, so I'm going to accept. Now here we are. You can easily swap, check out pools, and definitely add your wallet. So we're going to go do that. Okay, now we have our account imported. As you can see, you can receive or send assets. All my assets are loaded. You can add assets. You can also do swapping directly from this wallet without connecting to any other decentralized applications. And that's the cool part about this wallet. And again, you can see all the LP pools, what's new, what's hot, and what is wrapped. And then again, on the More tab, you can change up your preferences to show your default currencies, your chart views, deal with slippage, and any percentages changes here. And then you can also read the policies, check out all the protocols that are tapped in on this wallet. It's definitely one of the premier wallets, and I encourage you to go check it out. Passive income, passive income, passive income. Gold in my dental, thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals, told my girl it was simple. We getting all this money to purchase rentals and get passive income, passive income, passive income. Gold in my dental, thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals, told my girl it was simple. We getting all this money to purchase rentals and get